Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at this cool little gadget. It's the Reyax RYBG211 Lite Bluetooth module, and it's not your ordinary one. This one boasts a long range and is perfect for DIY projects. But before we dive into why it's special, let's talk about the company behind it, Reyax Technology. And by the way, a big thanks to Reyax Technology for sponsoring today's video. Looking for reliable and innovative modules for your next IoT project? Then you need to check out Reyax Technology. With over 15 years of experience in the wireless and IoT industry, Reyax is a leading provider of high-quality electronic modules. They offer a wide range of options, from Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to cellular and LoRa solutions, perfect for applications in industrial electronics, security monitoring, and of course, building your own amazing IoT creations. For more information and to explore the possibilities, check out the links in the description. All right, back to the topic. Now, some of you might be familiar with the standard HC05 Bluetooth module. So, what makes the Reyax module different? Let's break it down. Bluetooth version, the RYBG211 Lite, uses Bluetooth 5.1 Low Energy, BLE, while the HC05 uses an older Bluetooth version, typically V2.0 or V2.1. Bluetooth 5.1 offers advantages like lower power consumption and extended range compared to older versions. Processor. The RYBG211 Lite comes with a 32-bit ARM Cortex-M33 core processor, whereas the HC05 utilizes an 8-bit microcontroller. A 32-bit processor can generally handle more complex tasks and data compared to an 8-bit microcontroller. Multi-connection. The RYBG211 Lite can connect to up to 8 devices simultaneously, while the HC05 typically only supports a single connection at a time. This makes the RYBG211 Lite more suitable for projects where you need to connect to multiple devices. Range. The Reyax RYBG211 Lite has an advertised range of approximately 100 meters, while the HC05 typically has a shorter range of around 10 to 20 meters. The RYBG211 Lite boasts a longer range compared to the HC5. Control interface. Both modules use AT commands for communication. AT commands are a set of basic instructions used to configure and control Bluetooth modules. Antenna. The RYBG211 Lite has an integrated PCB antenna, while the HC05 has a built-in chip antenna. PCB antennas can be designed for better performance compared to chip antennas, potentially offering advantages in signal strength and size. Metal cover. The RYBG211 Lite includes a metal cover for better electromagnetic interference (EMI) shielding. The HC05 does not have a metal cover. Power supply. Both the RYBG211 Lite and HC05 can operate on 3.3 volts. However, some versions of the HC05 may require 5 volts. In conclusion, the Reyax RYBG211 Lite offers several advantages over the HC05, including a more modern Bluetooth version, a faster processor, multi-connection capability, a significantly longer range of about 100 meters, and a metal cover for better EMI shielding. However, the HC05 might be a more cost-effective option for simpler projects that only require a single connection. The best choice for you will depend on your specific project requirements and budget. Now, let's get to the exciting part, using the RYBG211 Lite for simple home automation project. Today, we'll build a system to control appliances remotely using an Arduino and a smartphone app. Here are the components you'll need. Reyax RYBG211 Lite module, Arduino Uno or compatible board, jumper wires, relay module. First, we'll carefully connect the RYBG211 Lite to the Arduino. Remember, the Bluetooth module operates on 3.3 volts, so we'll use a voltage divider to step down the Arduino's 5 volts. This will prevent damage. We'll then connect the relay module to control our appliances. Once the hardware is set up, we'll open the Arduino IDE software and upload the provided code. With the code uploaded, let's download the Light Blue app on our smartphone. This software will facilitate sending commands to the Bluetooth module. Ensure your circuit is powered on. Launch the app and connect the RYBG211 Bluetooth module. Select the option Writable Without Response Notify at the bottom. Now locate the data format option and ensure it is set to UTF-8 string. We will now demonstrate controlling an LED on the circuit using the app via Bluetooth. At this text field, type a capital A and transmit it to the module using the right option. The LED should illuminate upon. Repeat the process, but this time type a capital B and send the command. The LED should turn off in response. Here comes the real test. I've placed the circuit here. Now let's test it by sending an A. Perfect. The light turns on flawlessly. Typing B turns it off just as intended. We're now almost 40 meters away from the circuit. Let's test it again. The light still comes on. Let's try turning it off. It's working perfectly so far. Now let's move to almost 100 meters away. At this distance, we can't even see the light properly on camera. Let me zoom in for you to see it. Yes, the light is still working, but the signal seems weaker. I also tested it from even further away, off camera. The connection wasn't stable. The farthest I got was 110 meters. As expected, the range depends on various factors. There are a lot of tall trees and houses here, which might explain why I couldn't get a consistent 100-meter connection. But still, it's impressive. This small Bluetooth module offers significantly more range compared to standard Bluetooth modules. If you're interested in getting your hands on this module or exploring Reyax's other offerings, check out the links in the description below. This video was a blast to make, and I hope it was informative for you. Give this video a thumbs up to let me know. Sharing this video with your friends who love tinkering and DIY projects would be awesome too. And to see more interesting and informative videos like this, hit that subscribe button and join the channel family. Thanks for watching.